Hello everybody, I'm Pete Lennox and welcome to the channel. So today I'm building a deck out here, and today I'm going to build the ramp for this deck. I'm going to go ahead and build a ramp before I start the deck, because when I finish the deck I want to be able to use the ramp, and so I'm going to put that up first. What I have here are two 2x6 by 12, and so that's how long my ramp is going to be. 12. I mean, it's going to be kind of steep. I'm going to get some kind of non-skid stuff to put on it, so it should be okay. This is not a this is not a handicap deck, okay? Well, it should work for what I need to do. So okay, so we're going to start. I'm going to go ahead and mark these. This deck is going to be 36 inches wide, and so I'm going to put it right up against here. Like so. So first I'm going to mark this, show you how we ready? Alright. This up there. I'm going to go ahead and cut. I'm going to cut both of these 2x12s. I'm going to cut them both the same size. I'll cut them over here. Alright, so cut it right there. Alright, now I should have them both pretty much the same size. I'm going to go ahead and set them up here. I'm going to measure these. I want this 36 inches. This is what I'm going to be using for the floor of the ramp. And these are already 36 inches. I'm going to have to cut one of them, but we're about ready. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut a piece, put on the ends here, and that's how I'm going to attach it to here. So I'm going to cut this piece longer, like 2 inches longer, 36 inches. Screw it on here, and I will screw it right here. I'm also going to put a piece on the bottom over here. I'm going to put a piece across there, 36 inches. That's going to kind of be the base part of the bottom. Do that right there. Yeah. Good. There we go. That's how it's gonna go. I mean, not really, but I think I'm gonna bring this down right here. Go. Let's do 3 of them. We'll start with 3 of them. Right here. And what I'm also going to do is I'm going to put a leg bolt in on each end here, besides these deck screws I'm using. The deck screws they would probably work, but I'm just going to make it a little more solid because I want to get some weight on it. Pre-cut these to yeah, so I'm going to go ahead and put the this piece across this way. Press this way, maybe, so I have more support. Alright, so now I'm going to put another one, just like that one, down here. And then I'll put like two up here. Should have enough room to do that. All right, come on. Come on out. You want to try going down the steps? Let's see what it looks like. Or I mean, you want to try going down the ramp? See what it looks like? Come on. Let's do it. Yeah. That wasn't too bad. Hey, buddy. Come here. Come here, buddy. Come on. See how he comes back up it. Come here, buddy. Come on up here. Look at that. Going right up that ramp.